emotional time. So I'll give you a little heads up what I've been doing on the engine for the R33 there. Just got a ring compressor off a mate and certainly put cylinder 5 in and piston 5 I should say. So that has just been lightly tapped in it, and turn it around and put the bearing, bottom bearing, and do the bolts up for the conrod and so on, and put everything back together. I found out I can actually reuse this AAA head gasket. Just I got some copper sealant just to make sure. It'll be absolutely fine. It's going back on exactly the same head, exactly the same surface, which is so it should be able to mate up pretty well. I mean, ideally I'd machine it all, get it all looking beautiful, but it'll be absolutely fine the way it is at the moment. Also got some more sealant for the sump, which I'm going to water blast and I'll put back on as well. But the GDR is now back in the garage. Took it for a drive and she went primo, which is good, and pushed the 33 back out here. But I better give her a bit of a water blast on the sump there. She's looking a little bit. She was looking a little bit sad. But sorry, the engine bay here, it's looking pretty sad. I'm going to paint it all black, but I should be able to smash out a lot of today. But pretty much I'm just going to be putting the pistons back in this baby, turning it over, doing the conrod up, or just that one piston, and then clean that head gasket up, put some sealant on. Should be way laughing. Wish me luck on this baby. So what I've been doing on the R33 Skyline here is I've been putting the sump back on, which I just got back on now, and we're flipping the engine over. Got the head gasket up there, which I will be putting, which I've got the copper sealant on, flipping it over, putting that baby on, then putting the head on, and I'm just going to wait maybe a day maybe, and just wait for these to harden up before I tighten them up properly. And it should be all good. So what I've been doing on the block for the RB25 here, the 33, so I've been painting it up. Just started here and just finished this side, so making it look all pretty. I'm gonna do the sump as well. Just making it black instead of this horrible Kermit green or whatever the hell the guy thought it was smart to do. Just giving it about okay with it. Doesn't get too hot on there. So, and got the head gasket there, the triple layer. Should put copper sealant on as well. And I'll be putting the head on, cleaning it up kind of thing, and then giving it a big, degrease, and when it's all on there, so it looks all pretty. I'll give it an initial one, but it is greasy as shit on here. So I'll make it look all nice and pretty. So I water blasted all that, and one other thing which I did is that I water blasted the engine bay, which is looking so much better. I got like all that coated grease, which was about this thick on the bottom there off, so thank God. But another exciting thing which Stan and I found, and I'm not too sure if your engine mounts are like this, but this is some flash stuff right here. I mean, look at that. That is mean. And the passenger side, that's nice. That's really nice. That's exactly what the doctor ordered. So, new ones of those coming in, and hopefully I won't hear this doof 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 coming from the, I was like drum and bass coming from the passenger side. So, fingers crossed, and she'll be yours. Head gasket has been put down, the dowels are in place. Should be all ready to go for the head to be put down. Just got the studs over there, which I'll get all lubed up and so on, and hopefully she should be all good.